I gotta have yours as well. Just servicing this bloody slider door. When they put this together, they left the top wooden trim above the door rail nailed in place and screwed. Then they painted over that, so the screws that hold this trim on the top. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's it. Then, as well as that, there was nails here all along there. Why they did that, I don't know. That's unnecessary. So they just painted over that, and then even painted over that when the door was painted. So they left a big section at the top of the door they couldn't paint because this was there. I just had to service these stoppers. There's a stopper that goes in here. I had to took that off altogether because that has to be. I have to put a new bumper on that. We could possibly put it on the bottom. A bit of rubber we can stick to the bottom of the door frame there, so the door hits the bottom of the stopper. Less stress on the instead of hitting it on here, because it's quite a heavy door. If it hits the stopper up here, it will bend this and rip the screws out of the wood. So you can see here it wasn't very well adjusted, and it's been used like that all the time. So it's actually ground that away. The brackets have been tightened. The screws aren't really brighter than much wood, so I'm going to have to probably find some chunkier screws to go in there. The bottom slider's alright, that's okay. That's nice and smooth, not broken. The rollers are to pull those out and dust them out and give them a soak in some silicone spray. For some reason one's got a bit of a cut in it. That's much better. They're Henderson brand, originals. What happened there, huh? Someone's cut it with a grinder or something. I was wondering why the door had a bit of a bump. I would slide the door open and close and there'd be a bit of a bump to it. They would just jump and shatter a bit. So I have to clean this rail out, or maybe I could pull it off. That's a good idea. Pull it off and give it a good wash, I think. There's a bit of a bend here too. There and there. Yeah, all that crap sitting in it. Builds up on the wheels and the door just gets jaggery and rough handles. So I'll pull this, the best is to pull this rail off. And all these screws are loose, and this thing was hanging down. It was pretty dodgy, so I'm going to fix this up good once and for all. Be a nice, easy opening door once it's done. The original builder's there, but only a bit of a chip, I can fix that. Just screw that right up there, and replace the original screws that were here too, because they were the original flat screws, which are pretty useless nowadays. They're a big piss off when you can't undo them and they tend to strip. So I'm putting modern Phillips heads in there and make it serviceable, so this can always be accessed should this need to be serviced. Oh, looks like I've got an odd one here. That's the non-original one, but looks like from the factory, because that was there from the start when the place was built. You can see where they painted it. Just left it all there. Didn't pull all this off the panel here. Doesn't really look all that good. They should have painted all that. And the door there, better. That's better. Put our rain stoppers on here. I can put one on the bottom there. A little stick on there. Protect the door. So one on the bottom. And one on the top. Little stick-ons. Probably on this side as well. A couple of stick-on rubber feet from Bunnings. You can buy all those little felt pads you use in the bottom of furniture. These will probably be better. There's felt pads. They're more durable and they'll do less damage. Get soft ones of those, and they'll just because the one that I have up here, the new ones are plastic, and then they're better. The metal one, I kept the metal one. The toilet had the same thing. We'll just put a custom stopper on it from Bunnings. I've got a plug and we made a new stopper and made it a lot more reliable. That's better. It's like brand new. Oh, and I put a top back on. Okay, all done. All new screws. Put those little stick-on plastic things. You get the kitchen and bathroom cupboard kits from Bunnings. You can buy these too at Bunnings, these little sticky things. They're good for that, just leave those there. Because the original screws are wood puttied and hidden. So I had to look carefully with a light and follow the divots of wood putty and dig them out to get the original screws out. And leave it like that, put sticky things over them. Easy to service then. You can see how much of the paint's all cracked. That thing's been less for a while originally. Much better. That's like a bloody brand new door. A better suggestion, we could get some even a length of weather strip, rubber weather strip along there. Make it slam proof, that's a good idea. Wow, that's like a brand new door. There we go, a bit of DIY home maintenance for you. Thanks for watching.